Okay, let's go through how we get those answers. So just watch the video and click through to the one that you got wrong, or watch the whole thing if you want to understand how each one was done. So first one, I've got one carbon on this side, one carbon on this side. I've got 1, 2, 3 oxygens on this side, and I've got 2 oxygens on this side. So in order to balance that up, I need to put a 2. I need to put a 2 in front of here to make that 4. And then I need to put a 2 in front of here to make that 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one here. So let's start with iron, Fe. I have 2 on this side. And on this side here, I've only got 1. So in order to have 2 on this side, I need to put a 2 in front there. Oxygens, I've got 3 on this side. Oxygens, I've only got 1 on this side. So in order to have 3, I've got to put 3 in front there. Hydrogens, I've got 1 on this side, but I have got 3 lots of 2 here, so I've got 6 on this side. So I need to put a 6 in front here to make sure I've got 6 on this side. My final atom, my final element is chlorine. I've got 6 chlorines on this side, and on this side I have got 3 here, but I've got 2 lots of those 3, so I've also got 6. And so my equation is balanced. Okay, the next one. Calciums. I've got 1 calcium on this side, and I have got 1 calcium on this side. Hydrogens, I have 2 on this side. And be careful here, the brackets around here means that it's 2 of everything inside the bracket. So I've got 2 hydrogen. Ooh, no, I've gone wrong. I've got 2 hydrogens here, but I've also, don't forget, I've got 2 here. So I've actually got 4 hydrogens in total on this side. So in order to have 4 on this side, I have to put a 2 in front because I can't change the composition of water. It's always 2 hydrogens to 1 oxygen. That gives me 4. And my final one is, let's check oxygen. I've got 2 oxygens. I've got 2 lots of water molecules here. And over here, I've got the 2 on the outside of the bracket affects everything inside. So I've got 2 oxygens there. And my equation is balanced. Okay, next one. Right, sodium's on this side. I've got 2. Sodium's on this side. I've only got 1. So in order to have 2, I've got to put a 2 in front there. Oxygen's on this side. I've got 1 here and 1 here, so I've got 2 altogether. Oxygen's on this side. I've got 2 lots of the sodium hydroxide, and so I've got 2 oxygens there. Hydrogens, I've got 2 on this side. And hydrogens here, again, I've got 2 of these molecules, so I've got 2 hydrogens on this side. And my equation is balanced. And the final one. Right, let's start with hydrogen. I've got 1 hydrogen on this side, 2 hydrogens on this side. So in order to have 2 here, I've got to put a 2 in front. Let's start with nitrogens now. I've got 2 nitrogens here. I've only got 1 here. So I've got to put a 2 in front to make sure I've got 2. Oxygens. I've got 2 lots of 3. So I've got 6 on this side. I've got oxygens all over the place here. I've got 4 here, 2 lots of 2. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 oxygens here. So this is a bit awkward. Really what I want to do is I really want to put a half in front of here and only have 1 of those oxygens there and not 2 of them. But I can't do that. I can't have a half. So what I do instead is I just double everything up here. 4, 4, 2, and a 1. So let's try that. So here I've got 4 hydrogens and I've got 4 hydrogens. Here I've got 4 nitrogens and here I've got 4 nitrogens. Here I've got 4 lots of 3, so I've got 12 oxygens. And over here I've got 4 lots of 2, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,